Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm taking a look at the latest SolarWinds debacle. Let's jump into it. Before we get into the news for today, in case anybody has forgotten, SolarWinds is the company whose Orion product in 2020 was one of the primary entry points for the largest hacking incident in the world to date. So if you still have SolarWinds products in your organization, today's news really ought to put you over the edge towards getting rid of this company's products. I understand that IT budgets can be constrained and that sometimes alternatives can be costly or time consuming to implement, but how many strikes are you willing to give one company? All right, enough history. Let's jump into today's news. I have a story here from the Register, and it would seem that a critical hard-coded login credential in SolarWinds Web Helpdesk product has been exploited in the wild by criminals. So let's stop there. Hard-coded login credential. It sounds like there's a credential hard-coded into the code of this product. Typically, passwords are encrypted and stored in a database, but it sounds like in this case, SolarWinds has a permanent password written into the code itself, which in my mind basically sounds like a backdoor. Now, they haven't exactly said this. I'm reading between the lines here. They're being a little bit vague. But to make matters worse, it seems like the bad guys have gotten a hold of this password, which honestly wouldn't be all that hard to get if you can get access to the compiled code. Many decompilers can often pull out strings of text from compiled code. So unless SolarWinds took some extra measures to obscure the hard-coded password, which let's be honest, I'm not going to give SolarWinds the benefit of the doubt on this, it would not be that difficult to pull this password out from the system. So the bad news here is that SolarWinds basically has a backdoor vulnerability in one of its products. The good news is that they have issued a patch for this, but it does have to be manually installed. So if you do have Web Helpdesk from SolarWinds inside your organization, you need to update it today. And by the way, the same product was exploited with a remote code execution bug found in it just 2 months ago. Great job, guys. Keep up the good work. And unfortunately, this particular type of product is a bit of a problem as Helpdesk software often contains instructions for IT staff on how to reset passwords, how to access different systems. It's a pretty juicy target for the bad guys. So yeah, this is another black eye for SolarWinds. I'll stress again, you really have to consider kicking this company out of your organization. But with that, I'll leave this one here. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you next time.